Good afternoon, all. Welcome back to the session. I hope everyone had lunch. So, now what we will do, we have this session on the Google Earth. So, for both. So, for MGYL 004, you have exercise 1, which is Google Earth. And for MGYL 104, you have exercise 4, getting started with Google Earth, and then exercise for working with Google Earth. So all are having the notes with you. Can you confirm? Both the course students, you have notes along with you. Can anyone confirm? Do you have notes with you or not?
Yes, sir. Just got access to the exercise 4. I will share in the group. I just saw that I got access. Exercise
Okay,
4 Google Earth.
so exercise 4 and then exercise for another course. It is exercise for one exercise 4 and 5, that is for 104, MGYL 104, and the MGYL 004, you have exercise 1, first exercise, right? So you just download the Google Earth on your system, or you have already. Do you have Google Earth or you want to download? So
Sir, I will have to download it.
okay. So the link is given in your manual. Also, I have added the link in the chat. You can just click it, download it, and then install. So it will take a while. Maybe I think depending on the speed. So we'll wait for 10 minutes. I hope by that time you can download and install, and then we'll explore the options. Okay. So it took me 3 minutes to download. So based on your internet speed, it will take time. So download it and then install it. So I am installing on my system. It will take some time. So depending on your speed, it will take maybe around 5 to 10 minutes to complete this. I think once you've done, just I think Nivedita done, Ayushi done. Okay, rest will wait. Julie also done. Okay, ठीक है. We'll wait still few more minutes. Let everyone complete and then we'll start. Okay, by the time rest of your friends they are completing the installation. Maybe those who have completed, maybe who has done, Ni- Nivinita, Ayushi, Akshada, you have completed. So okay, Abhimanyu also completed. So what you do, you just explore the main functional menus or key menus of the Google Earth, so that one of you can just give quick demo where these functions are and for what it these functions are used. Okay, so maybe you can show where is the or what the 3D viewer allows you, where is the status bar, what for it is used. Then the layer panel, like in QGIS we saw where is the layer panel. Then how to navigate, from where to navigate. Okay, then the toolbar buttons, then the places, how you identify or how you keep or how you save the places, how you organize, or how you re-access the saved places, how to search the places. So these 4 5 options, one of you I will ask, you can one by one demonstrate. If you want, I can also demonstrate, but better one of you, 3 4 out of these 3 4 students, one of you I will ask, you can demonstrate it to rest of the students. Okay, so everything is there in the window. Once you install this software, you will get everything there itself, but just where it is and for what function it will be used. Anyone left, you can continue installation. By that time we will go for the demo. Okay, hopefully after installation you will get this icon, this one. Okay, you double click this, and once you double click, you will get, let me remove this, you will get this window open in your laptop or desktop. Okay, so let me, this will be the interface of Google Earth you will get on your system. I'm closing this. So what we are going to do, first we'll explain this, I mean what these bar or buttons or menu is used for. First of all, this search button, I will explain search, and now one of you will demonstrate this one, rest of these things. Okay, so for example, I want to see New Delhi. I'll write New Delhi. So you will get drop down also for some of the places, and just enter. So automatically it will zoom to the New Delhi location, right? Can you see my screen? So New Delhi came up. So any place on this globe you can search, provided that it is mapped. Say I am searching another place. I will remove Delhi. I will say search Pune, where right now I am sitting. So it has taken me to the Pune. Correct? Are you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now the rest of the things, it is there in your notes also. So just any one of you can demonstrate. I will unshare my screen. Similarly, my places, you just demonstrate one by one option. Just click and demonstrate it, so that all will see, and then we'll individually will do in our systems also. Okay. So let me unshare my screen. Stop presenting. Yeah. So we'll give the demo. Or anyway, I think
If
everyone is
no one is
little
giving,
slow after lunch.
I can give the demo if no one is giving. I thought maybe someone else could get a chance, but I can also try.
Okay, okay, please, please. Just quickly show the options, 4 5 options, and we'll then explore individually.
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
So I was just playing around. So as you showed the search, you can search like just like Google Maps, whatever the place is. Then here, for example, this thing goes away if I hide the sidebar, so that there is more area for the map image. Then this is to pinpoint a location. So for example, here I add a place mark here for example, and then I give the name uh, point two. Okay, so it has come here, and then this one is for adding a polygon. So first we add a polygon like this, and then we can give a name poly one. Okay, so this is a polygon in my map. Then this is to just add a path. So I click outside this dialog box, this window, and then this will be a path, and I can give the name path one, and different views for tabs for coloring style, and putting in the altitude measurements. This is, for example, this is kind of a distance measure also. So 0.18 miles or maybe in kilometers, then okay. Then this one is recording a tour image overlay, and here I could add an image also. For example, this was an image. I could add one BMP or JPEG file in my on my map. Then this is the history of when I think the images were added. Maybe historical imagery time slider to move. I have to, I think, check this thing. This would give you the sunlight,
Okay,
for
it
example.
is down. We are going to do this. We are going to.
This is different planet
No problem.
altogether,
Go to the next option.
and then the places panel. For example, X was one of the places that I just tried. How to display it? Uh, Maybe this is no. Then test all whatever I created there appeared here in the places panel, and these are the layers that are that can be toggled. For example, if I remove this thing, uncheck this thing, the borders will disappear: international border and state border. Places. Uh, I think I don't. I'm not sure whether this is places that we define or these are, these must be these places. I have to
Okay,
check this thing.
fine, fine, Abhimanyu. Yeah. So now you know how to play with this tool. So you come down on your exercise. Okay. and you have to try one by one. Everyone need to try one by one. There are lot of options, 10, 11 options there, like show hide slide bar, add place mark, add polygon, like what menu has added one polygon and one line. Then add path. Path is nothing but a line. Okay. Then image overlay, record your tour, show historical images. So you have to try all these options. Okay.
Sir,
All these
which page of the
options will
document is it?
print.
Which page of the exercise document is it, sir? One is
Uh,
16-page document, one is 19-page document.
yeah. Both in both the document, I think this exercise, these steps are there. In your
Four.
104
I think
exercise
it's in
4,
the exercise 5, the 19 pages
MGYL
one.
one. It will be in different exercises.
Sir, I think
Okay, so
exercise
I
4 is more
I have.
about, sorry, sorry to interrupt. I think the exercise
Sir, is
4
it
is more about the introduction to that, and the tasks are given in the exercise 5, I
See,
believe. And sorry to interrupt you, sir.
so here in the document that I have, the exercise is
exercise
screenshot of
5,
3D viewer of
you have.
Google Earth Pro, high-tech city.
Yeah, that is exercise. No, in both it is there. You can refer any document, no problem. Depend on your course. So I tell you
Towards
in
the end, there is one.
4, MGL 104, or 5. You got exercise 4.
Yes, sir.
Exercise 4.5 and lab exercise,
Yeah.
exercise
So
4.6 and lab laboratory exercise 4.5.
no, it's you just
So your voice
in
is
4.
breaking.
In MGYL 104, you open exercise 4. Inside that, come on page number 2, you will get all these options. Okay. So once you done with all the options, so at the end, once you completed all the options, then you have to take your own snap and you have to insert in the Google Earth. So you can see my screen similarly like this. So you can insert any image. So you can capture a photo with your mobile phone and insert it. Later on you can delete it. Is it okay?
That would be under image, add image overlay, right, sir?
Yeah, you once you explore the options, then automatically you get where is the option. Like, see why I added this, because this is a practical utility. If you want to say you are working in an organization, you want to show where is your organization, so you can tag your photo of your organization building there, exact at the location, and it will give you the its coordinates location as well as the how is the building. So if someone is searching you for your office and traveling using Google Maps, so you can see the building also and the location also. So that is the practical utility. You can insert any image. Try by one options. It is interesting. In fact, using the routine navigation tools, you can use Google Earth there also. So you will get more easiness, more information. Yes, Lakshmikanta, you are saying something.
Sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, when class only started, sir?
Class was started at 2.
Sir,
So you
actually,
joined.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
so what we are doing, we are exploring the Google Earth.
Uh,
So
PGDGI practical classes, sir. I need.
yes, 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 yes. So which
Sir,
class you belong?
you are Deshmukh, sir.
No, 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 no. I'm
Oh, sir.
Sunil only.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, sorry,
So
sir. I'm so late. Actually, like, I'm going to college and back, so it is late.
no problem. You open your notes. Maybe exercise which one? Either exercise one, if it is
Yes.
0 MGYL 004 course,
Yes,
or
yes, sir.
if it is MGYL 104, you open exercise number 4.
Okay, sir.
Install Google Earth and then explore the options.
सर हेलो सर मेरे पास तो ये मटेरियल्स है
Which
मटेरियल्स है 103 का 1007 का अभी सर कहाँ सर आज का जो क्लास होगा वो कौन सा MGI 005 का
no, no, no. MGYL 004.
और
It is PGCGI, PGDGI, and PGCGI. You belong to PGDGI, na?
PGDGI मेरा सर
So which exercise you are having? PGDGI, maybe exercise 5, 5 or
PGDGI
4.
का 4 नहीं है हमारे पास
Uh,
मटेरियल्स
you
नहीं
don't.
है
Okay. So you share your WhatsApp. You don't have my number now. Wait, wait.
तो
I will share the chat WhatsApp group links.
So I have shared my number. You just ping me. I will share you the material then, if you don't
ओके
have.
सर it will be deleted
Sir, sir, excuse
सर
me.
सर
Hmm?
नंबर डिस्प्ले किया था फिर डिलीट हो गया
No, you just open chat. I have put my number in chat again.
8, 4, 3, 6 अच्छा तो अगेन
Hmm?
सर जो नंबर डिस्प्ले करता है फिर डिलीट हो जाता है 88 डबल
Oh,
6
हाँ 8800436795.
6795.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You are on PGDGI group.
No, PGDGI group, sir.
Ah, someone has already shared. I don't know. It is coming. AA is already shared this one. Exercise
When
4
I
and
open my WhatsApp, I will find out, sir. When I WhatsApp, I will find out.
yeah, yeah, it is there. I'm just seeing the WhatsApp.
Oh,
PGDGI 2025 group. Someone has shared.
okay.
Who is
PGD.
A? A has shared. A, I don't know who is because I have not.
Sir,
Ayush,
That's me,
you
sir,
have shared?
Abhimanyu. That,
actually,
Abhimanyu, okay.
yeah, I can share the chat group's link also. One second, I'll just share the link also.
Ayushi, you are saying something.
yes, sir. I believe, I guess, Lakshmikant ji is confused. There are two groups. There is the other group in which Benidhar sir is there. So he shared this PDF with the schedule for today's class in that
Oh,
group. So I guess he might get confused.
okay,
He's
okay.
not added in this current group which was created by Abhimanyu.
Okay, no problem. I am sharing the material to you. You just ping me, Lakshmikant. Just say hi. I will share from here. Okay. By that time, rest of the students, you have explored the options 4.3 and 1.3. So working for you, or you stuck somewhere?
Sir, when you asked us to upload the photo, was it in Google
Hmm.
Map or Google Earth? So uploading in Google Earth and then transferring the image to Google Map, is that the exercise?
No, 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 no,
Or
no. No. Just
in Google Map directly?
you are working on Google Earth. Hopefully you have downloaded Google Earth Pro. So there just I want to insert
Yes.
any image. Basically the idea is to insert the image. I ask you to insert your photo. So you can insert any JPEG format or PNG format, something like that.
That I did,
And
sir.
if you
Now in Google Map, what do we have to do?
no, 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 we are
You
not
mentioned
going
in
into the no, no, no. We are working only on Google Earth only.
Google Earth.
Google Earth
Okay.
Pro is open. Huh. Basically you make yourself familiarize with these all these buttons here, like how to draw a polygon, how to trace. For example, in GIS, say you want to trace, say, this water body. I hope screen is visible. You want to make a polygon out of this water body, so you should know this is the option. You can click on this and you can say simply digitize this. I'm roughly digitizing half of the water body, not complete. For example, this is my water body. Okay. So you should know, because this is very good GIS software. You can say most of the things you can do here. You will get KML file, and later on you can convert this KML into whatever format like shape and all. So you can change its color style also, make it transparent. You can give line color whatever you want. I'm just randomly choosing one. I don't want any opacity here, so I can make it 1, 2, or even 0 also. Again, go to the properties. See, you can change color, you can change styles, everything you can do here. So you can use for this for digitization. If you want to say, let me delete this first. If you want to say, see the delete one. Yes, I want to delete. In fact, you can save this polygon, then you can convert it into the KML, and then you can take it into any GIS software, or you can save here itself in the Google Earth. Similarly, you want to see the historic pattern of this area. So right now it is uh, 2025. See the water level. I can just change to see some other. This is 1985 is too old. You can just see the stream only. There is no dam. You got the point. This simple. You have access of many years data. In 2014, yes, there is a dam. They have constructed dam, but earlier it was not there. 2011, yes, there is dam. So you can use this button to see the different pattern, different, I mean, historical satellite data also at the background, and you can make a maps out of it. So this is the your historic data you can see from here. Similarly, these you can make a pin. You can add a place mark here. If you want to place mark this particular lake or dam, you can place mark using this. So you can put a pin here, and you can place mark. You can give name, color, and for when you want to access again, you can access it. Similarly, you can add point, polygon we have added. Similarly, you can add lines also. You can trace roads also. You can add your image. This we have saw. So you try all these options. Like path, if you want to measure the distance of a particular area, or length of a particular area, you can measure. For example, I want to measure this is the construction. Earlier we saw this was river. Just again I will show you. See, historically this was a tributary river, right? So later on it converted into the dam. Today it is a dam. So you want to know how much length of construction it is there. So you just take this ruler, select a path. You can take path, polygon, circle. So I'll take path here, and I want to see in a meters. Now by default it is in kilometers, so I'll change the unit. So I want to see what is the length. So just click it. So the length is approximately 870 meters. So this construction is of 870 meters, and you can measure width also if you want. You can draw a polygon, you will get the area, constructed area also. So you can save also if required, and you can use. So you if you done with all these options, basically you have to make yourself familiarize with these are easy options, but you should know where is the option to do anything what you want to do. Correct?
Sir, I have a question, please.
Yes, go ahead.
Uh, Sir, as you mentioned that we can save a feature in a KML file and then import it using GIS software. So, does the KML file have the the coordinate system and the projection also?
Yes, you can save it. You can save and you can
So
directly
the
import into your GIS software.
Yeah, so along with the feature, the the coordinate system as well as the projection system is also included in the KML file when we import it.
Yeah, you can take it, no problem. And see, and if you want to change, you can change at any time. Nowadays softwares are giving option like KML to SAFE conversion is there. You can convert into SAFE. And projection, if you want to change or assign again also, you can assign, no problem.
I see. So it
Here
includes
the
the
added
projection.
advantage you will get for a same point you will get historical data. For the same area you will get road network, you will get other features also, villages and all. Only thing is that KML will be single point KML. If you digitize a polygon, it will be single say file for this particular polygon. If you digitize again one more polygon, so it will be the separate. It will be little cumbersome. Later on, you have to join this. I mean, it will
Thank you,
not
sir.
work for the bigger projects, but for smaller projects, always you can very nicely create maps out of this and get the information. For example, if you want to trace out the say river network here, this is the best. I mean, source free of cost. You can get it, and your even latest images you can get it. Even in urban areas, you will get very high resolution images. So this is little remote area. I don't think this image is not high resolution image, but if you move to the some urban areas, you will get good resolutions also. And this data is frequently updated. That is also a advantage. Okay, so everyone is fine with these options.
Yes, sir.
So you tried these
And
options, all options, huh?
sir, it uses WGS 84
This
with regard
particular
to
this uses WGS 84,
okay.
and most of the free platforms they are using WGS 84. It is just like
Okay.
an universal thing now. But still,
Okay.
like we India, we have different this one. Like if you go with Survey of India, they are using LCC. Anyway, we can
Mhm.
convert it. There will be slight error, but any projection you can convert into the another projection system.
Sir, so for conversion of this projection, do we have to do it in the QGI software or can we do it here also? Like,
No, here it will be difficult. Here, I mean, here also we can do, but you require then a proprietary thing. If you have Google Earth engine, but it is there we can do, but not here.
okay,
But
sir.
it is easy to do in QGIS, just 2 3 click away. So nothing worry. You can map here and take into the QGIS. In fact, in the advanced this one, you need not to map here and take into the QGIS and all. You can directly have plugins in the QGIS where through QGIS also you can access all these. You can access images, you can download images. So through the plugins you can do it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you all are done with all the options. Any option is not working, some problem, nothing, na? Y- Okay, if you are done with this, then we'll explore little more. So 4.3, I believe you are all right with these options. You know how to use it now. So again 4.3.1 in case of exercise 4, and similarly in case of exercise which one? 1, exercise 1 in case of MGYL 004. Just below that there are few more options. It's very simple options like what I was doing right now, this type of options, because every time you need not to go to the menu. You can zoom in, just explore this, zoom in either with your middle button of the mouse, zoom out, like this. These are the options. You just make yourself familiarize with that options. Maybe we can 5 6 minutes we can spend on that, and then we move forward. Okay. You can use single click, double click. Okay, explore few more options till the shortcuts. You can try shortcuts also, and then after that maybe we'll keep some more time, 15 20 minutes. You explore all these options. And if any problem, anything is there, then we can discuss, and we can have a demo of that option. Right, Lakshmikant, it will take some time to install the software, and then you can go step by step.
हेलो सर।
यस यस, बताइए।
सर आफ्टर क्लास कैन आई प्रैक्टिस फ्रॉम यूट्यूब?
Yeah, you can practice. You can practice. These are simple features. Hopefully, you will not face any problem. You can practice. In fact, if you hit and try the options, you will get to know how it is working. Only thing, once you have to try.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what software you are saying? WGSI 94.
This is Google Earth Pro.
गूगल अर्थ प्रो।
Yes,
ये
yes.
क्या होता है? सॉफ्टवेयर क्या इसमें क्या होता है?
It's online platform where you can have images, satellite images, roads, uh, your habitation locations, then the administrative boundaries. You can have terrain. So many things are there.
ओके सर।
Yeah.
थैंक यू
So
सर।
ये आप ये यूज करते हो ना नेविगेशन के लिए गूगल मैप, एक लोकेशन से दूसरे लोकेशन में जाने के लिए गूगल मैप यूज करते हैं ना.
यस यस
So
यस।
it's better version of the Google Map. एडवांस वर्जन यू कैन से, गूगल अर्थ का एडवांस वर्जन है. गूगल अर्थ में इतनी सारी फैसिलिटी नहीं होती है, तो यहाँ पे आपको इलिवेशन टेराइन भी दिखा देगा, वो एडिशनल चीजें हैं.
सर नेविगेशन में काम कर रहा था हैदराबाद में,
हाँ.
और ट्राई जियो सॉफ्टवेयर लिमिटेड में।
ओके ओके. सो इट्स एडवांस वर्जन ऑफ गूगल मैप.
यस सर।
Going forward, you can get APIs. I mean, it's just like a sea. It's a huge. What you can explore at what you are possible. Huge
यस सर।
information is there. Not only Earth, you can explore planet information also. So it's a big platform.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है, सपोज फॉरेस्ट में एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन में फायर लग जाता है तो हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे?
Yeah, there are many ways to identify if you are using, say, satellite data. If you have the thermal data sense the heat generated. So it sense the heat, change in the heat. So using the thermal data, you can very well catch the fire area.
ओके सर।
Nowadays, see, some of the organization they are having automated platform also. If there is a change in the heat flux, automatically they will get the alert.
ओहो। ओके सर।
Yeah.
थर्मल डाटा दैट इज कॉल्ड थर्मल डाटा।
Hmm.
तो ये जो थर्मल डाटा इसको कोई प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर मिलता है क्या है?
No, these data they will be provided by the agencies because it's a big platform. Private companies have एक या दो, but they don't have thermal. But if you want to procure the thermal data, then NRSC is the agency. NRSC National Data Center, they can provide. Or nowadays, companies, they are having drones where they can install the thermal camera and that can be monitored. Okay.
Okay, sir. सर LULC क्लासिफिकेशन वो क्या होता है? जो, जो लो इम्पैक्ट डेवलपमेंट फॉर स्ट्रूम वाटर मैनेजमेंट,
Come again. Come again.
LULC, लो
LU,
इम्पैक्ट डेवलपमेंट फॉर स्ट्रूम वाटर मैनेजमेंट.
see, LULC is nothing but your land use and land cover mapping. So, what is the land use on the ground? That is the mapping of land use and land cover. Land cover means basically the your forest or natural things, naturally occurring pattern on the earth surface. And
New construction,
land use
sir.
means the for example agriculture. Human being modify the pattern and
Uh,
they do something else. That is land use.
modify pattern land use.
So we cultivate na
Yes, yes.
when the like forest they grow on their own, water bodies maybe they grow now, rivers they grow on their own, but we create dam, so that is human made thing. We cultivate the land, that is agriculture. So that is the land use, and whatever happening naturally like forest or scrub land, that is land cover. So combinedly it called land use and land cover because both things we are mapping. We are mapping agriculture, we are mapping forest also. So combinedly it called land use and land cover.
Sir, how can we identify agriculture and a forest? Both are same.
No, both are same, but on satellite data it is very easy to map. See, simple clue is that both are green, both are
Yes,
green. So they, you mean to say they will look same. But when agriculture is there, there will be pattern. In case of agriculture, there will be pattern because the fields they are having bunds. So each field it will be having different agriculture crop, and through the bund it will form say checkerboard pattern. Checkerboard means like our chessboard. Somewhere it is some field is at harvesting, some field is barren. So easily you can identify the agriculture pattern.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, another one. Sir, suppose sudden flood is going, can you identify
Which one?
flood inundation mapping monitoring?
Plot denudation.
Mapping, monitoring, and management.
No,
Sudden flood.
what is denudation?
With the
See, we can map, but
natural change.
huh?
Flood inundation mapping means sir, natural change. Suppose sudden change.
That is change detection. You can map not only that one, any change detection you can map using historical data. Say, for example, I am having some satellite data which I was showing here. I don't know whether you was there or not. See, any area I was showing some dam. See, for example, these are the different water structures. You can see this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh, my
Sir, your screen is
share.
not visible.
Yeah, 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 I am sharing again. It is not shared. Now again I have to go to your Google Earth. See, this is Google Earth map of 2023. Oh, it is showing 20. Okay, 2020. 2020, you have these water bodies. Okay. So when you want to map the change, if I go back, still there, 13 it is there, 10 it was there, 2 it was there, 94. These are old. So all were present from 96. Okay. So let me zoom to the another area. So this dam I will take. This is Uzni Dam. So it is there. But some of the areas you will see the dam was not there also. Let me figure out. See, I am zooming here. Can you see anything? Water bodies?
Blue color.
Yes. So they are changing. Sometime now they are full of water. So you can map any change. You can map its water levels. You can see reduce water. See, now it is almost dry here. Can you see? So similarly, you can map change. Mapping change is very effective and very easy.
How do we identify a dam, sir? Is it like a man-made structure next to a reservoir or a river? Like from a
Yeah,
distance?
it, it is man-made structure. You can easily identify dam because any man-made structure will be having, say, geometrical shapes like straight lines. Naturally, you won't find water will on my screen. It is flowing naturally, but if you go down, you will find there is some barrier. You can find there is here it is barrier. This is man-made structure. If I zoom it, this is its barrier. Again, natural river is going. So natural shape won't be a, like geometrical shapes.
Right, right.
Right, right. Sir, what is flood mitigation? After
क्या क्या?
mitigation. After flood, how can we identify?
Flood mitigation. You have to just map the water spread, na? It's easy. Like you are mapping water bodies, you can easily map the flood area.
Sir, after flood होने के बाद कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें? मतलब पानी तो चला
See,
गया होगा.
you require two images at the time of flood and after flood. So when the water recedes, that image will catch that area, and earlier image will catch the area where the your flood is, the spread of flood. See, for your earlier question, I just went into the Tehri Dam. This is the Tehri Dam as it now full of water. If you go back, you won't find any dam there. Can you see any dam, any water? No water, simple river is flowing. So this way you can make map a change. Here you can see the water in 13. So you got software installed, Lakshmikant?
No, sir, I am not using any software.
You install this one, Google Earth.
Yes, sir.
I'll share the link. I'll share the link. Wait. Yeah, I have shared the link. You just click it and download the software. Yeah.
सर अभी इस दिस ईयर में क्वेश्चन आया था एस्ट्रो डाटा कोल फायर मैप फ्रॉम एस्ट्रो डाटा
Which map?
कोल फायर्स
Aster
मैप कोल फायर
coal fire from Aster data.
एस्ट्रो डाटा
You can map, no problem. So Aster is type of satellite data. So we can map features, any features on it. See, the software will remain same, algorithm will remain same. Satellite data can change. Accordingly, you can use any data, either it is Indian satellite data or some outside data like Sentinel, Aster, Landsat. You can use any data.
सर एस्ट्रो लगा एडवांस स्पेस ब्रोन थर्मल इमिशन एंड रिफ्लेक्शन रेडियोमीटर
Yeah, like we have our satellite mission, like we have IRS series, Indian Remote Satellite series. Similarly, the Asteris type of data. Then we have another like Sentinel satellite, Sentinel 1, Sentinel 2. So similarly, Aster is also a type of satellite. So you can procure its data and you can map. Basic principle remains same. What you are mapping for that type of algorithm will be same. Few of the algorithms, they are particular sensor based algorithms. Some are the
सर
generalized algorithms.
सर अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग how can identify pollution or different city,
Pollution.
different pollution control? Suppose air pollution, we can identify the garbage pollution or any other pollution. How can we differentiate and identify?
Yeah, we can identify. For your information, there is continuous monitoring of aerosol. Aerosol monitoring is there where your particular matter and all contributing to aerosol. So through the aerosols, you can get the information on how much aerosol is there, how much particulate matter is there in the air. So we can map.
Oh,
See, anything you can map from the satellite data, provided that it should fit into its resolution, because each sensor is having its own resolution. For example, if you are using, say, IRS P6 list 3 data of Indian satellites, so its
sorry.
resolution is fixed.
Yes,
So if it is fitting into that resolution, 23 meter by 23 meter, you can map. If it is smaller than that, then it is not possible to map with that particular sensor.
sir. Aerosol produced from aeroplane jet. Oh, क्या sir? Sir,
बताइए.
such aerosol is जो pollution ये it is coming from aeroplanes, jet, rocket, ऐसे अच्छा.
No, aerosol can be coming from any source. It's basically the matter in the air, other than air, like CO, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. Apart from that, if something is there, that everything comes in the aerosol.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, may I please request you to repeat that point, sorry, in which you were mentioning about that 23 cross 23 resolution and that iris. I wasn't able to understand the smaller resolution and the so we were so the resolution from the satellite data has to be at least 23 cross 23, but what has to be smaller or greater than that? Can you please help me understand once again your point?
See, satellite data is captured by the sensors. Sensor is just like our cameras we are using. So it is just like a camera, normal camera we are using is higher version, you can say roughly. So to capture any photo for satellite data, there are, it is called resolution. Like we use in camera 4 megapixel, 6 megapixel, 16 megapixel. So it's nothing but resolution. So what it means, like if your camera, see the IRS satellite camera is having, say, 23-meter resolution, and the satellite is taking picture. So any object on the earth, single object, group of object we can identify, but for identifying a single object, it should be greater than 23 meters. If it is smaller than 23 meter, then the two object or more than one object will mix together, and we will not able to segregate these object in satellite data. So for this purpose, we have to go for the higher resolution. Like list 3 is having on same satellite, list 3 is having 23-meter resolution, but the on same satellite you are having pan where you will be getting 5.8-meter resolution. There we can get the uh, more finer resolution. I mean to that, based on the purpose, we can choose the satellite data and its which type of satellite data we want, right?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question is, from satellite data, how can we find out garbage pollution, plastic pollution, soil pollution, oil pollution?
See, for all your questions, I can
Sensor.
give you
What
a
sensor you are using?
comprehensive answer. I will give you comprehensive answer, and that is the basis of identifying the different features on the Earth surface. Like here, we are 14 people, including me, we are 15, for example. All 15 is having our unique signature, right? You have
Yes,
your unique signature, so everyone will identify, bank will identify. So whenever it is recorded, it will identify, okay, this signature belongs to Lakshmikant. So similarly, if I sign, so they will identify this signature belongs to Sunil. So we all individual is having our own signature as an identity. Similarly, each feature on the Earth's surface, when it interact with the electromagnetic rays, radiation, and it reflects back, so reflected light is captured by the cameras on the satellite sensor. So each feature reflect differently, its pattern is different, and based on
oh,
that pattern you can identify any feature, whether it is garbage, whether it is plastic, whether it is crop, whether it is building, whether it is water. So because it has different pattern, when you digitally
yes,
analyze the data, you will get dn values, digital numbers from each parcel. Say your garbage will be having, say, for one band, take any band, it is say giving 50. Similarly, building being a cement material, it will give 100. So based on 50 and 100 you can separate these two objects, correct? So
yes,
in
correct.
this fashion you can separate any object, provided that it should be mapped by the camera resolution.
Sir, FG
So
object, emit radio magnetic wave after
each object
reflection.
each object will be having different signature.
Yes,
It
yes.
can be, it can be mapped. Anything can be mapped. Okay, coming back to the our exercise. Hope you all has explored the mouse based operations, right?
Yes, sir.
Any issue in that? Yes,
No.
Ayushi. It's okay, na?
Yes, sir.
You are giving thumbs up. See, EG, only thing once you should explore. Yes, yes. Okay, now moving forward, we'll explore few more things. Few important features we'll explore. So rest of the material, like it's theoretical. I don't know, you have explored this one. Let me verify. Let me share my screen first. Yeah, entire screen. Okay. Yeah. Have you explored this?
Yes, sir.
So if you are moving anywhere, so why it is important? Because in any map, directions are very important. Okay, so if you are moving, sometime you are just uh, going here and there. So maybe you go in 3D view. See, I did like I want to see the terrain, so I moved like this. So I want to see the hills and their elevation, how it is looking. So I was just I'm wandering here and there in this one. Okay, and sometime what happens? Uh, you want to see the exact direction. Now it is in this way. I have zoomed too much. So you want to see exact direction. Where is my someone is unmuted. Let me check. Please unmute. Someone is unmuted. So then you realize that, oh, I want to orient perfectly on my direction. So this north arrow, you can just pull this and you can take it to the north, or so again it will be oriented to the north. Or if you want to see different way, you can just move it, so it will change the directions in your map. So for that you can use this, and this button you can use for navigating east, navigating opposite direction, navigating up down. So have you tried this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone tried? So see, I want to see, I will take just an example. I want to see Burj Khalifa. I want to see Burj Khalifa. You know, no, Burj Khalifa is one of the tallest building. So I am taking you to the Burj Khalifa just to show the functionality. So this is the Burj Khalifa. Okay, this building. So I was just insisting you to insert your photo, showcase something like this. So I am in Burj Khalifa. I never visited, but I want to see what is there inside. So what I will do, I will drag this fellow and I will see inside what is there. See, now I can see the features inside. Correct? I can see. So for this purpose, you can use. So there are good functionalities you have to explore. So I can see what is there inside the Burj Khalifa. Even I can see the tables. They are ready. So I mean to see you explore this, if not explored, and shortcuts also. Now I am using shortcuts. I'm moving with my arrow keys. No. Okay. So I am exiting this now, coming back to the normal this one. Right. So any doubt or something is not working. If if it is the case, then let me know. Fine.
Sir, there was one sightseeing this thing also on the left panel. Would it be on the places in the places panel sightseeing tour? So how is it possible for you to demonstrate how that works?
Just wait. Just wait.
I was able to insert my features, point, polygon in the places, but the sightseeing tour I would like to understand. 3D buildings, it says.
Just wait. Okay. So which tool you are saying?
Sightseeing tour in the in the places panel of Google Earth.
Where it is on my screen?
Your screen is not visible, sir.
Acha, my screen is not visual. Wait. Oh,
Not visible.
now it is okay.
Yes. So
Which tool?
you see, sir, this my in under my in places panel there is this my places, and inside my place on the left. So on the left,
This is my
there. So this
places.
sightseeing. Yeah. So this sightseeing tour, temporary places, what it means.
Temporary places you can mark it.
Okay.
You
So
have
I
to
can
mark
add a
it.
feature or a place.
You,
Okay.
see, there are two things. One is temporary. When you mark it temporary, and when you close, it may go. But if you saved it permanently, it will remain. So saving permanently, you have to write to the Google. So they will make it as a place, permanent place. They will verify they have their mechanism, and they can make it permanent.
I also tried sightseeing tour, but somehow I was not able to understand
Let me mark. Yes, mark.
because here also we can add photo
You can add here also photo.
in the.
Just, but now I have just marked randomly some. I given some name randomly. So if I double click it, it is showing me this spot. I have marked it, but this spot is not saved on the Google server. Please note this. This is only on my system. You won't be able to find it using this JJJ. Okay, if this has to be available to you, then it has to be mapped in Google. So normally it won't happen like this. So this JJJ I have mapped here. Okay, rest things are okay. I'll delete this.
Yes.
Okay.
And so the sightseeing tour just above the temporary places, the sightseeing tour is there with a link also, and it says make
this
sure
one this
3D
one you are
buildings layer
talking.
is checked. Yes, yes, sir, exactly. When I click, yeah, exactly. You're also seeing this. Make sure 3D buildings layer is checked. That's the layer in the layer panel. 3D buildings.
Depends on the software.
3D
Uh,
building layer.
Sir, I think it will give a 3D image of major tourist attraction place, something like that. I don't
Pardon?
know. Sir, it's my guess only. Like for the sightseeing tour, we can look at the 3D models of like you showed Burj Khalifa. Is it
Yeah.
useful now?
Acha, Burj Khalifa you want to say. No, point is that whether it is taking the default 3D layer, or we have to mark 3D layer separately. No, actually 3D layer is not working. We have to use this 3D layer only, but it's not working in my this one also.
Actually, sir, if we go to that folder, sightseeing tour, it will display, yeah, many tourist places, yeah, below, yeah, or Eiffel Tower. So so
Uh,
if we select, let's say, Eiffel Tower, yeah, so this is, yeah, so is it like stored by Google Earth only, the places which
yeah,
have to
yeah, it
be
is
in
stored
the
by.
sightseeing?
See, our site, our
Now,
site
for
seeing
example,
if we can mark, but it won't be on Google server. So it will be available to. If I mark, it will be available to me only. It is working, but options are very.
so
Yes,
I
yes.
mean, for example, if we visit a place as a tourist, let's say a new place which is not in the list. Let's say we visit a new city in India. Can we include our tour as part of the sightseeing tour? Our tour.
Yes, you can include. You can include,
If I
but
want
it
to
has
share,
to be.
if I
Yeah, there are two ways. If you mark it, either you write to Google, or if you mark it, Google will write to you. Both way it happens, and or Google will directly confirm without writing you. They will confirm. They have their mechanism. Even not only place, even if you mark road also, they will confirm on their own mechanism, and then they will include that road into the system, or particular tourist spot or whatever into the system.
So
Okay, thank you,
they
sir.
will verify what things, sir. For example, if I try to ask Google to include this something in Google Map or Google Earth, what will they try to verify? Like my lat long coordinates, or I will only send, let's say, my image. I take a picture from my phone and I can send the geo coordinates. So, but what will Google exactly do? Google will go to that place and then confirm whether my image is correct or not.
I don't know the exact mechanism because once we did in Delhi, my office was in Pusa campus near
I
Rajendra Place, and for the visitors, it was difficult to locate. Then we came to know that it should be mapped on the Google server, so automatically anyone searches, it will come up. So then we mapped it and we wrote to the Google, and then in 15-20 days time they have mapped on their server, but we don't know what is the mechanism. But they wrote us they have some mechanism, they will verify and then they will make it live.
Yes,
I see.
their internal work.
So this is beautiful city. Which one is this city? Okay. So rest all, see, sometime any some functionality may not work, or we may not know the exact how it works. Okay, so we'll explore little more till we have some time.
So shall we start with exercise 5?
Exercise 5. Okay, for you there will be exercise 5. Let me check what is there in the 5 also. It's
It's
same.
KML, I think, adding image
Okay, for
overlay,
this
KML,
border
Google API.
displaying some. Okay, ठीक है. Exercise. Just second, let me check. creating KML. Okay, do you have any vector data with you? Any vector layers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, so both the courses, all three courses, this exercise is there or not?
Yes, for 104 it
Yes.
is there. This
004 also it is there. 104 in which exercise it is there? 5, 4. Exercise 4, yeah. 4 it is not there. And 5.
exercise 5, sir. 5, that other 19 page PDF.
There it is there. In 004 it is there. Let me check in 005 also adding image rating.
It is in 5.4.4 section.
5.4. No, in 5 it is not there. 5.4 page number. Acha, okay, okay. It is in 5.6. In MGYL 104, it is in 5.6.
Yes, sir. KML 5.6. I thought you were asking about overlaying image.
No, overlaying you did, na?
Yeah, yeah, that is done, sir. That, so KML is 5.6. Yeah, you were asking some vector
Yeah.
data or something.
Let us spend some time on KML. For 104 MGYL 104, it is 5.6, and for MGYL 004, it is 1.8. Okay, KML, you have given only the structure of the file in both the all three courses. So let me just give little demo how you can import the other file and where it is fitting, and how you can operate with the other files like shape file and all. Even you can import images also. So let me give quick demo. I doubt you have any shape file with you or not. Okay, simple way. So what we will do, I will just import one file, shape file here, which is created using ArcGIS software earlier for some project. So simply we have to go into the file and say import. Okay, here you have to give the right format. If the format is not correct, so you won't find file here. So all these files are safe files in this folder. Let me choose the E3 safe. Okay. So you can choose. I will choose maybe the polygon. I can choose the polygon. So say OK. It will ask, do you want to apply style template to the features you inserted? I'll say yes. Create new template. OK. Say OK. You have to save somewhere. I will some name. Say OK. So automatically that feature which is in different file format is coming here. You can see it is coming here. So you can change its properties if you want, color, style and see. And the text above given is just like your KML file format. So you can apply the color whatever you want. You can put borders, filling, anything as per your requirement, and you can use that file here also. So do you have any shape file with you so that we can do this exercise? Any shape file which is projected from any exercise you have? No?
I'm searching, sir.
Mm, or any online downloaded file? If you have, you can just import it.
Yes, sir. I got it. Should I share my screen?
Yeah, you know, you perform the exercise because if everyone should have the file, otherwise how you will do?
Okay. Sir, one thing I noticed that when we like when you also imported the shape file, it is two
Huh?
things actually. One is that the feature that if I believe your feature of the shape file was a polygon, that reservoir kind of a lake. So, but it was
Hmm.
very indistinguishable. It was very indistinguishable from the Google Earth itself, actually. Because if you had not told me, I would have thought it is part of Google Earth only. Because the color was like it is very indistinguishable from the Google Earth surface versus your polygon.
No, no, no. You can see Google Earth. There was image at backside, and the vector which we are loading onto it, importing onto it. You can change the line color. You can change the its polygon fill. We can change it
Because it didn't change.
so
When
that
you
we
change
can.
even to green, your color did not change in the polygon that you were showing.
No,
It was
I have not. Let me.
And moreover, when we import the shape files and apply the style also, the SHP
Hmm.
becomes a part of the it becomes part of the temporary space places. It is not part of the
Yeah, yeah,
layers.
it is.
So, for example, in QGIS, it becomes a separate layer, a shape file. But here, a shape file or a imported thing becomes a temporary place. It seems.
Yeah, it will be temporary place and it will be on your own system only. That is,
Yeah.
you see the another this thing because I showed you in hurriedly. So again, I will display that one. It will show in different color. See, this is the another file which I have imported. So you can change the colors. You can this is the area. You just switch off it. So this is the area where this land use file I have imported. So it is showing this color. Only thing while importing, I think that was earlier was different format. Though it is same, but I have not changed its this one colors and styles. So you import. I will import one more again. Open. This was land use. Now we'll open one drainage. Drainage. Huh. This is arc info file. Even in fact, earlier was also arc info. So let me try this whether it is showing something. Yes. Create template. Okay. Now, because this is arc info format, you have to select the field here. Until and unless we are not selecting the field, you won't get the polygon differentiation. Now I have selected. I will select one more field: scale, angle, polygon ID. Okay. So this polygon ID I have selected. So polygon ID will be displayed only. So I have to save it first. Saved. Now this I will remove. This I will remove. This should be removed. Yeah, because see, for this layer it is not showing. I will make this and this I will make yellow. Can you see this yellow points here? One, two, three, something. 17. These are the points, point layer, I think. So you can change the color. Right now I have given red and yellow. This is drainage point some. Okay, so point is that do you have this one shape file with you? Any shape file? No? Let me try if I have shape file. Or we can download them. So the what exercise we are planning to do here, we are importing a shape file, but for that we require shape file. If you do, or you will do this exercise on your own.
Sir, actually, the same issue is I'm facing that the differentiation of the polygons is not taking place. It's like one single this thing.
Mm, no, but here, see,
I'm
differentiation is there. No? Have you
No, in
changed
my
the
case, in my
styles? No, see this
yes,
map. Oh, let me share my screen. Wait, wait.
I think it is has to do with the field, but I'm not sure how to
No, no, no. I'll
I
tell you
apply.
why the differentiation is not coming. That is because of the styles. Okay. So this is the land use map imported. Okay. So you can change now. I can change its styles. So I'll go to the properties. So it is not available right now. So I have clicked on share tiles button. Now I can try to change. I'll put red here. So you can see as I selected red color to the lines, all the lines become red. My screen is visible. Now I will change check different color. Now it changed to blue. I'll change to some yellow. Okay. Now it is yellow. Now I'll change to this red. Yellow and red combination. Correct? See now I have given yellow and red combination. I hope my screen is visible. This is land use map, simple shape file.
How did you give, sir, two
Okay?
colors?
Yeah, that's
Sir,
why.
two colors, red.
Yeah, you just see here, right click this and go to the properties. The layer which you have imported, right click it and go to the properties and then go to the styles. Here you give this line color, like I will change from yellow to say again this one. See, color has changed, and this red I will make, say white earlier I made, I will make it blue. Okay. Now this existing map, even I can make it hollow and I can modify it. Like I will remove this, make 0, and this I will give some dark color. Okay. So only we can have the red boundaries. So this is older map. Now it is not matching with the existing image. So I can modify it. Right? You see, features are not matching. See this river. This is the dry river, but it is not matching. River boundary is not matching. So you can change any color.
So now you will be
Okay, this
editing
is clear how we.
in Google.
Huh?
Hello, sir. So you
Yes.
showed that they were not matching the shape file and the topography that was not matching. So now you will be editing or a user will be editing the shape
Yeah,
file
your
from
voice
Google
is.
Earth. Hello.
No, 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 no. This shape file, I think, which is land use land cover. This data is from Jharkhand. It was done for some different purpose, just to show you how to import. I just found it, and I have just imported it. So this water body is also not matching. Maybe the water level at that time will be different, or season is different. That's why it is not matching. But approximately it is matching, not fitting exactly. See, maybe that time situation might be different. Some of the boundaries are matching, some of the not matching. Or I can modify this
It
map
could,
using the Google Earth,
or it could be a coordinate system issue.
because this data which we were seeing in 2013. Now let me put the today's data. This is of 24. Oh, this is March. March will be dry. There will not be vegetation. Let me change. So 22. Little it will be there, because see Google what it is doing now. This map is I think in LCC. So Google, when it is importing, it is doing some, it is running some algorithm and doing some approximated. Little variation will be definitely there, because when we change the coordinate system, slight variation will be there. Let me check with further this one, properties. Oh, this is what layer bound. Acha, this is outer boundary of the same area. Okay, this will not help. But anyway, that is the different issue matching the boundary, because this data made for some other purpose. But anyway, you can import the file using the import menu, and you can work further if required.
Answer
This
that
is
field
clear?
pop down menu
Yeah.
was, yeah. Sir, that
Which menu you
field
are
pop
saying?
down menu was that field pop down menu while importing that a shape file, while imposing a style. There was one field shape for field drop down menu. Like you said, that one field has to be selected. So that could you
Yeah,
please
yeah.
help me understand?
Yes. Yeah, I'll again open. See, I go into the import. Now I select same layer again, which was that land use, no? Land use layer. Land use label. So polygon. If I select label, only the ticks, label ticks will be available. If I select arc, only the lines boundaries will be available. So if I select ticks, then the coordinate ticks will be available. There will be only 4 ticks. So I am again selecting polygon and open. Achha, it is asking, do you want to reload? Okay, say yes. Achha, this time it is not asking. Let me remove this. Oh no, it's hanged. Oh. So it is asking me the file contains more than 2500 pictures and could cause application performance degradation. Okay, slow होगा ठीक है. Import sample. Okay, import all I will do. If it is bigger file, it is asking, do you want to import only sample? Do you want to apply style template feature? Yes. Say okay. So here you want to, you are saying this drop down, no?
Yes, set name field. What exactly it means, sir? This no field, this thing. This, yeah, exactly. This is what I
See,
meant.
there there are, see, this is save file. It is having area, parameter, land use, some codes are given. It's a table, attribute table there. Like in this particular codes, like LULC code, I want to display this in the Google map. So here I have to select that LULC code, or I want to do like another this feature another code. So I have to select that one. So because this file which we are importing is having different columns, different features. Like each polygon will be having 7 8 attributes like perimeter, area, LULC code. So out of these, which one we want? All cannot be displayed here because this is different file format you use in ArcGIS. There you can have, but in Google Earth you can have only one field. So here that's why you have to select this. Similarly, here also you can use color option also. Instead of changing in the attribute, here you can use color option. See, I can say random color. Hope it will give random color. This is clear.
Yes, sir. Now it is
Why
okay.
I am
In
saying,
ArcGIS or in other GIS
yeah,
software,
because
one may select more than one attribute.
there we have facility. We can have as big as attribute table. Number of columns can be more, but here you can have only one. That's why you have to choose out of this which one you want. Say
Right.
okay.
Okay.
Now I have to save it again with some name and say yes. Let me remove this. Yes.
Then we might have to change the properties also color.
Uh, we can change it. So by default it is not changing. So we have to share style, and after that we can give any color as per our liking. I put this. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, it was not shaked. That's why it was not showing. So clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So any, I hope you will be able to do it on your own. Only thing you require one save file, or if you are not able to, but I hope you will able to do it. It's a simple steps.
And here also, can we? I think apart from this coloration of the features, polygons, can we also do a symbology? I mean, graduated this thing scales and all.
Let me try whether it will allow or not. No, it is not allowing view. No.
Because I think there is only
In
one
this
feature
version,
that is selected. So, yeah.
no, it is not allowing actually. Ratio selection. No. See, because the difference is that it will treat each polygon as an entity. So it is treating this as an entity. At least in this version, it is. I think it is not there. But let me check once again. Symbology.
Because I tried to import one district level shapefile and all the districts are of different colors. It is giving a mosaic of colors.
In this one, Google Earth.
Yes, sir. Right now only I tried with a district level shapefile and it's a very colorful picture.
but in my version it is not giving description radial.
It's not based on any in any other field, I think, but it is still colorful in my case also. It is not a
Oh,
symbology based on a.
no, 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 no. So it has kept the original colors as it is,
I
right?
think
Na?
there were no colors also. No, sir. If I share my screen, if you permit me.
Yes, yes. No, initially it is asking option to keep it or you want to change. You share your screen. I think there it will work.
Yeah. So, yeah. Thank you. So I'm sharing my entire screen. So, for example, is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
So it was like a district level shapefile, and it's like colorful thing. But
You
that's
import
what
again. I
my
think initially, no, if you not checked the option initially, I think it is taking as it is. You import again.
yes, style template, yes, create new,
Here, no, here if you, here you have to check the field, select the field, which
set color from field. You mean? Okay, now I see. Now if I do this thing, then
you have to
let's say
select the
by
field also, na?
okay
Select
total
the field.
population. Okay, this thing. Now I go to properties.
No, no. First check it.
Then I
Wait, wait,
change.
cancel it. Cancel it. Check it. Check the layer. Huh? See what color it is giving.
It is
No color.
loading. Yeah, it is like this. And
So
now when I
initially you have to check it while importing.
area, if I do something like this, then okay, got it. But here, this is not. Is it based on scale? Is it like more populated, less populated? Because you see, Ladakh, these this district is less population, but I don't see. I don't know whether it is based on a
No, no, no,
graded scale.
no, no. It is not based on attribute. It's not based on attribute.
Even though I had selected that field as population initially, like from the pop down menu.
Yeah, but software will not understand. For software, it's number until and unless we classify like 0 to 100 is one class, 100 to 500 another, 500 to 1000. Then
Yeah,
only it will give in the ratio.
yeah.
But
Thank you.
okay, fine. At least you are
Should I?
able to import rest of the things you can play later on. Not a
Yeah.
problem.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Should I?
Any
Yeah.
other query you but please try to import. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Huh?
No doubt, sir.
Okay then. So tomorrow we have class. Tomorrow 10 o'clock we
Yes, sir.
are
Tomorrow.
having class. So you
we have
Yeah,
done.
you try this import. It's simple option. Today's exercise were very simple, just basic and to warrant you on the softwares. I hope you have explored quite a bit. So this will help in coming exercises. So I think good to stop now.
Sir,
Yeah,
one
Ayushi.
question that, so if I create a KML file, it will only have one feature of the one vector point of that class, whether it's line or a polygon or
Yes,
point, right?
yes, yes,
I cannot have multiple.
yes.
Okay.
No, but
Like if I
smartly,
had,
I mean, if you are working on project, so you can have multiple polygons inside a single polygon. You can have multiple lines. There is no restriction in that. Only thing, it will be treated as a single entity, like in other softwares like QGIS or any other software. You can have separate features within the polygon. That is the difference. You can create multiple features in a single KML file, but separation, like if you have multiple attributes giving into that, that will be difficult here.
thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So I think good sessions, both sessions were good. Hope you enjoyed both the sessions. Thank you everyone, and see you tomorrow morning 10 o'clock. Goodbye. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much, sir.
sir.
It was nice class.